We are a company called STP Limited, formerly known as Tarnan Manishan Group. It's a Shalimar Tar products. We are into wide range of segments. We are into waterproofing systems, and we are into anti-corrosive coatings, and we are into road projects also. Actually, we have come up with admixtures to cater this construction industry, and we are having 4-5 units of manufacturing units. One in Chennai, one in Goa, and one in Jamshedpur, which looks after this anti-corrosive for protection and all, pipe and all. And we are having one more come up with industry in Gujarat, where we are manufacturing some sealants and adhesives. Normally we are into waterproofing. Actually, a lot of problem we are facing in leakages and all. So to come out this problem, we are come up with a wide range of segments right from coating to membrane systems. We have actually come up with APP membrane. It's called Attatic Polypropylene membrane. It's a ready-made product. It comes in a 1 into 10 meter rolls. Just we can easily lay it up, and we can get rid of waterproofing. That's the thing. And we are into road projects. Since our roads and all is going to be expanded more, and we are come up with a lot of products in road segments. One is thermoplastic paints. That can be visible in darker in nights also. Okay, and we are come up with CRMB product. It's a crumb rubber modified bitumen, and we are the suppliers of bitumens actually. We are having come up with polysulfide sealants, PU sealants for this expansion joint cones and all. So to character this industries and ready-made, we are come up with a wide range of products to cater this industry. Actually, yeah, we are into waterproofing system basically. We are known as waterproofing to the nations. Actually, since 60 years, we are into this field and rectifying all the product. Whatever the problems they are facing the industry, we are giving good solution to them. Apart from that, we are specifying each and every product to cater that industry actually, as per their structural drawings and all. After studying, going through these drawings, actually what they require actually. So based on that, we'll recommend these products and we'll specify the products. And next, coming to road projects, we are the suppliers of these emulsions, okay, for BT roads and all. Okay, we are into expansion joint grouts. For wherever the bridges are there, we need to give some sealing compound there. So we are come up with this kind of products. And newly we are come up with PVC membrane for this tunnel waterproofing, underground basement waterproofing and all. So we are having a lot of solutions for different products. We are having manufacturing units in India, 4 units we are having. One in Goa, one in Chennai, one in Jamshedpur, and we are come up with one more unit in Gujarat. Yeah, we are having a lot of expansion programs actually. We are coming with other materials, high-end waterproofing systems. And we are into floorings also, waterproofing floorings actually, that's epoxy floorings to cater these pharma units